name is Noemi, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make charcoal steak. Now, this is my very first time cooking barbecue or steak or anything like that, and also my very first video too. So let's get right ahead in it. We've got some ribeye, rump, and filet over here. And to add more flavor, we're going to be having rosemary added to it, garlic, and a kind of herb from Armenia. Shoot. This is Aberdeen Angus, and it is dry aged for 32 days for full depth and flavor. Now, we'll be using salt, sea salt, black pepper, and olive oil, and rosemary. Start pouring the olive oil, and then we'll just grab a pinch of sea salt and just spread it around, like as much as you want on your steak. And then we'll be grinding pepper. That too, as much as you want. There. Just a bit more. Now we have to pick it up with one hand, and then we have to carefully, make sure it's carefully, place it gently over the fire, just like that. And then we do that with all the other steaks, of course. You have to wait and cook it for 3 minutes, and then you have to flip it over. We're gonna be taking a fork and putting garlic on, and then we just spread it on the steak. Be careful not to burn your hand. Mine's already burning. Ouch. And now we have this very interesting herb called rosemary. And we're gonna be hitting the naughty steaks buttons with rosemary. Naughty, 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 naughty. And done. Though I wonder why they're naughty. Oh, okay. Yeah. That's beautiful. Now that's what I call perfect steak. Hey, wait a minute. I've got a question for you. Now, listen carefully. What is your favorite type of grilled meat? Look at that. This is proper medium steak. It smells amazing. That's actually amazing. We're gonna have a blast tonight eating this. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, make sure to leave a like, or if you call it a thumbs up, whatever for me. Yep, make sure to do that. If you still haven't subscribed, then make sure to hit that subscribe button with a spatula. Goodbye. See you next week.